Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to optimize performance using virtual memory in Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, make sure your Windows 11 computer has fully loaded up before you begin. Once everything is ready and your desktop appears, you're all set to start optimizing your system's virtual memory settings. To begin, navigate to your Start menu by clicking on the Windows icon located in your taskbar. Once the Start menu opens, type in Advanced System Settings into the search field and press Enter. This will bring up a window where you can access deeper system configurations that control how your computer manages its resources. When the System Properties window appears on your screen, you'll notice several tabs at the top. Click on the Advanced tab to access the performance-related settings. Within this section, you'll see a Performance area with a Settings button next to it. Go ahead and click on that Settings button to open the Performance Options window. This is where Windows allows you to fine-tune how your system uses memory and processing power. Inside the Performance Options window, click on the Advanced tab once again. Here, you'll find a section dedicated to virtual memory, which determines how Windows uses your hard drive space to supplement your physical RAM. This feature is especially helpful if you're running memory-intensive applications or multitasking heavily. Click on the Change button to access the virtual memory configuration settings. Now you'll see the virtual memory window open up. By default, Windows automatically manages the paging file size for all drives, but to truly optimize your system's performance, you'll want to customize this yourself. Start by unchecking the box next to Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives. Removing this checkbox will activate the options below, giving you full control over how much virtual memory your system uses. Once you've unchecked that option, click on the Custom Size Radio button. This allows you to manually set both the initial size and the maximum size of your virtual memory. You'll notice that the window displays the available space on your drive, which indicates the maximum value you can allocate. In the fields provided, enter your preferred initial size and maximum size based on your system's needs and the available space shown. A general rule is to set the initial size to 1.5 times your physical RAM and the maximum size to 3 times your RAM, but you can adjust based on your specific usage. After you've entered your custom values, click OK to save your changes. Your system will now use the virtual memory settings you've configured, which can lead to improved performance, especially when running demanding applications or working with large files. And there you have it. You've successfully optimized your Windows 11 performance by customizing your virtual memory settings. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.